Hello, I'm Teacher Robin. Welcome to another live streaming class. If this is your first time to join us, let me explain how the live classes work. Today, we're going to talk about how to communicate with your taxi driver in English. So if you have any questions during the class, feel free to write them in the comment section and I'll be checking them as we go along. So anything that wasn't clear or anything you want to ask, or if you just want to say hello, feel free to write that in the comments. Okay, so this is going to be a very practical class today because many of you are studying English, learning English because you want to travel. So I'm going to teach you some key phrases to use with your taxi driver so that you can understand each other and hopefully not have any problems while you're on vacation. Okay, so what's the first thing that we need to do when we decide that we want to take a taxi? Well, maybe. Obviously, if you're in the street, you can hail a taxi, you can say taxi, and a taxi will come. But if you need to go to the airport or if you need a taxi at a specific time, you might want to make a reservation. Okay, so how can you do this? You can find the number of the taxi company, and you can say something like, "Hi, this is Susan, I need a taxi tomorrow morning at 5:30 a.m. Okay, so confirm the time with them. They'll ask you most likely where you're going. So you can say, I would like to book a taxi to go from Camden to the airport. Okay, so tell them the start location, your address, or the place you're going to be, the name of the hotel, etc. And your destination. So the airport, the train station, etc. Okay, so here to book a taxi, this is the same as to make a reservation. If you book a taxi, it means that you reserve it. Okay, and one thing that you might want to ask before you take the taxi, just to make sure you have enough money on you, is how much will the fare cost? So here, the fare, this means the price of the taxi. So how much will the fare cost? It will cost 20 pounds, 25 euros, $50, etc. Okay, so once you have made your taxi reservation, okay, then the taxi should arrive at the time that you've agreed on. Okay, so what are some things that the taxi driver might say to you? Okay, so be prepared to hear these kinds of phrases. For example, good morning. What you need to say is, could you help me with the bags? Okay, so you need to ask, next we'll talk about what the taxi driver could say to you. Now, what you can ask your taxi driver. Could you help me with the bags? Okay, so if you're going to the airport or the train station, if you're traveling, for example, you'll need to ask the taxi driver to take your suitcase. Could you help me with the bags? And if you have not told the driver yet where you're going, you can say, can you take me to Heathrow Airport, please, for example, or can you take me to the train station or the ship, the dock, for example, okay? So as you're riding in the taxi, maybe you want to listen to some music, so you could say something like, could you put the radio on, please, okay? Or feel free, if you're comfortable, you could make conversation with your taxi driver. So that depends on whether you feel comfortable or not. Or if you just want to relax and listen to music, you can ask them to put on the radio. Okay, now we're going to talk about, sorry, I switched those. Now we're going to talk about what the taxi driver might say to you, okay? So they might want to know which route you want to take. Now maybe you don't know. You don't have this information, so you can just simply say, I don't know. But if you are familiar with where you're going or where you're driving around, they can ask, would you prefer to go via Smith Street or John Street? So you can explain to them, like, no, I would prefer to take the highway, I would prefer to take the shortest route, etc. So you can explain to them how you want to go. They might also say there seems to be a lot of traffic, just to let you know that the journey might take a little bit longer than expected, okay? And they might want to know where exactly to drop you off, because obviously the airport, for example, is a big area, so they might ask, will I drop you off at the terminal building? Or maybe they'll say, which terminal are you going to? So terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal A, B, etc. So they'll double check that with you before you go. Okay, so once you have reached your destination, your taxi driver will need to be paid, of course. So you can say something like, "How much do I owe you?" Okay, so you can always double check by reading the meter, but you can ask them. And then one question that you'll want to know, can I pay by credit card? So it's always a good idea wherever you go to keep some cash on you for a taxi, because not every taxi will accept credit cards, depends on the country, the city, etc. So always a good idea to take cash, but you can ask, can I pay by credit card? And they'll let you know if that's acceptable. Okay, and then you can thank them. Thank you for driving me. Thank you for going the fastest route, etc. Okay, so now that we've gone through just a quick overview of how to take a taxi in English, I want to ask you a few questions, and you can write your answers in the comments section. Okay, so I want to know, have you ever taken a taxi in an English-speaking country? Okay, so what was your experience? And what is the taxi experience like in your country? Okay, so for example, is it easy to get a taxi? Are the drivers nice? What is the reputation of taking a taxi in your country? Okay, is it expensive? Is it cheap? Do people tend to take a taxi, or do they take public transport instead? So just tell me a little bit, depending on where you live, what country you're from, what the taxi situation is like in your country. Okay, and as you're doing that, I want to give you more information about our course. So today we've talked about a very practical topic, taking a taxi. So if you want more information, you can check out our blog, which has lots of articles about these kind of how-to situations, how to take a taxi, how to rent an apartment, etc. So these are all this is a lot of really good information. You can also find articles about grammar, about culture, English for business, English for travel, etc. You can check us out on all of the social media networks, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. We're posting content on there every day, so you can find something new. And you can also study with our course. If you are not a student with us already at ABBA, then go to abbaenglish.com and you can find more information there about what we offer. But I'll just tell you very quickly, we have a complete course from beginners to business level, and our course features 144 units. Each unit starts with a short film, then you have a video class explaining the grammar, and you have exercises to cover all 4 of your skills, language skills, so speaking, reading, writing, and listening. So that's all covered in our course. So if you want to keep practicing or improve your English, then you can do so with our course. It's available in a web version and mobile version as well. So you can take it with you when you're traveling. For example, you can study even when you're taking a taxi if it's a long journey. So check that out, and let's see if anyone has any questions. If anyone, oh, I see some people have said hello. Mustafa, Edip, Rawa, Hamid, and Nina. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this class has been useful for you. Again, I want to hear what the taxi experience is like in your country, or if you've ever taken a taxi in English, and what was your experience like? Could you understand your driver? Were you able to communicate? Did you arrive at the correct destination? So if you have like a horror story, something bad that happened to you, you can also share that with us in the comments. Okay, Safi says, great lesson. Okay, good. I'm glad you like it. Great. Let me tell you a little bit as you're writing about our next class. We're going to go back to a grammar-based topic, comparative adjectives. Okay, so this is something really useful for you if you want to improve your English. So make sure to check that out same time next week. And if there are no more questions, then I encourage you to keep writing. I'll check your comments later on today, so don't worry if I don't answer your question during the live class. I will answer it in the comments later on. So I want to thank everyone who has joined us. Good luck taking a taxi next time you travel. Hopefully you can use some of these key phrases. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you next time. Bye!